Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to make a poster of any contact on your iPhone. This feature was added in iOS 17, and now I'm going to show you how to make a poster appear when a contact calls in. Watch. To do this, you open any contact you want. Opened, and click on the button Contact Photo and Poster. Click. You can see that here we can add a photo to this poster, or we can add a monogram, or we can add an emoji or take selfies. Click Next, and this is where we can subtly edit our poster. You can also add any photo from your gallery. Choose the photo we want and customize it as we like. We can crop it and click Continue, and save this poster with the Done button. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.